is up, people? It is me, your guy, Tony P, and
your girl, Roki.
And we're here to do some stuff. Last episode left us kind of down. It got very, very real very, very quickly. And it didn't feel like a joking matter anymore. I done took my robe off and everything.
Yeah.
Well, I think Marina committed suicide or attempted to commit suicide. Daphne's not pregnant, which means that's pretty much their marriage. they living separately for the rest of their lives.
Unless something drastic changes within him.
Something drastic has to change within him.
Otherwise, I don't see the point in the show.
Well, I mean, her story is.
Like, I mean, why would everybody be so excited about the show if it ended that way?
You are right about that. You are right. So you think that he's gonna come around? He's gonna have to come around this episode.
I hope, like he has to. I hope so. Like if he doesn't, then I'm gonna be mad at all of them for making me watch. It's like I get so emotionally invested in things. I don't want to be sad. I want this to end happily.
I believe it's gonna have a happy ending. But knowing Shondo, it's going to be a cliffhanger.
But it's the books. It's the book. I don't know. Got me stress drinking.
Yeah, me too.
I really hope y'all didn't talk us into watching this for a huge disappointment. Because I am legit sad. Like after that last episode ended, I'm sad. I didn't even want to wait to record the next one. It was like, let's go ahead and watch this.
Right. We're going to find out who Lady Whistledown is today. I'm positive of it. I'm still... So, biggest candidates, I think Eloise believes that it's the French, the not French lady.
The not French lady?
Yeah. The Taylor.
Which would make sense.
It would.
However, she's not invited to things.
But she talks to the servants.
Everybody who is, yeah.
Right. Everybody be talking.
And it's a gossipy town. I'm from a town like this. I'm from a town like that.
Where everybody knows your name.
And your business, your mama business, and her cell phone, so don't get caught doing nothing in the public, because it's going to beat you home.
Right. So I have no
real recap.
Right. I'm trying.
I don't even think we should bother, honestly, because they watch it. They watched the last one. If y'all didn't, stop, pause, go watch the last.
With all that being said, let's.
The fastest courtship upon record occurred during the markedly wet.
But first, like, comment, and subscribe to this here channel. And hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever we upload our videos. It's our last Bridgerton video. So don't leave us. We have other shows. We're reacting to Game of Thrones as well. And we'll be reacting to something else right after this. TBD. And I also have my own shows where I respond. Why do I want to say respond so bad? I react to Mandalorian. I react to all things Marvel. Every Marvel TV show that's coming out, I'm reacting to, as well as Game of Thrones as well. So, you ain't got to go when this is over with. Stay a while.
Won't you stay? I'm sorry.
I did not catch that song. What song was that? I need... Okay. Stay with me.
You got it then.
Leopold and her new husband would leave London mere hours after their wedding.
Wow.
Reason? Unknown. The future that awaits. Will there be hardship?
Don't do it, brother.
Or indignity?
Oh, that's the king.
As for which of these fates await the eager matches of the season of 1813...
I'm just glad he told her.
Might you both move a bit closer as well?
Right. That's what I'm saying.
Is that her brother?
No, I think that's the game man.
Oh.
I shall quit London. Perhaps His Grace might place his hand on the Duchess's shoulder, so that you both can look as happy as you surely must be.
You don't want to touch it because you're going to feel that spark.
Mm-hmm.
Now she can't breathe.
Now I want to know what Daphne's
Sign
sign is.
Should you not be off?
Daphne's a
ready
Libra.
to attend your very first ball?
That's what messed me up. I think when I originally did it, they gave me Daphne's sign. So now we gotta look up the match between
Provided you stay clear of my
Scorpios and
I
Libras.
think it'll fine idea.
Yes, well, never mind.
Francesca.
A, B, C, D.
Marina, come in.
There we go.
What are you
Didn't
doing?
realize
What's
we
the
had
Dima's
met all the
friends?
children.
I'm already feeling much
I haven't.
What? Penelope?
There's no G
Are you sure
either.
you?
Yeah, the baby, the boy.
That he has accomplished what I needed it to.
The baby boy's
And now, with the season over, I would have felt something by now, I'm certain.
So she did. It was
I was
a
quite
divorce.
flatter.
He is a good man with a good heart. You were very good to him. I am certain one day he will see it.
I doubt it. Unfortunately.
Marina, are you quite well?
Bet you that's
I've made my
George.
decision.
I do hope you're finding everything you need for Friday's ball. It will certainly be the event of the season.
Mama Bridgerton hate her now.
We'll have to hear about the one.
Would that be Sir George Green?
Oh, snap. After you done aborted the Batman, baby?
Right.
It is not George, but his brother, Sir Philip.
George dead?
I have come bearing grim news today.
Oh, yeah. He
man.
did.
My brother George
Oh,
died on the battlefield.
To tell me we could run away together and marry and have our child. Sir Philip found this half-written letter amongst George's belongings after
wow.
he had a perfectly reasonable explanation for not writing back to me. And I was wrong.
It's not your fault, boy.
Right. Yeah, it's definitely Mama Featherington's fault. Actually, now that I think about it, she deserves to be shown. Not her daughter so much, but
Not her daughters, but her.
they really weren't in like that.
Miss Eloise.
to begin with.
They are still quite stung from Lady Whistledown's recent expose. How I wish the author would write something flattering.
Ah.
Perhaps you. I have heard people say that men, such as my brother, if you will, can
What if
withstand
it's him?
rumour and gossip.
I don't think it's him.
Ah,
I'm not always so
I'm ready to
sure.
know who it is, damn it.
What did your father do to make you take that vow in the first place?
We do not need to have this conversation.
How much
I
time
don't
you got?
deserve an explanation. I can decide for
You'll
myself.
be better
what is-
off without me.
What is wrong with him? I don't.
Them pants though, like what?
We need therapy. I wonder if there's something else. Like, there's something else that we don't know.
Does he need more of a reason than what we've already been given?
Yes. He said he did.
Well, what are you saying?
Perhaps I lose. Perhaps that purse will be enough to keep us happy.
Don't do it, brother. Don't do it. Don't trust his ass. Say no, sister. Say no. Look at Drake.
You don't need to take my word. Instead,
Golly, man.
Wow,
it's yours.
Like, oh.
bruh.
Like, everybody in the show making me angry or sad.
There's too many emotions going on.
It's a lot. Do not throw this
You've
fight.
been here an hour ago.
Come on, Black woman. Where you at? What did you what?
Our credit at the Modis, it is still rather precarious.
Y'all about to
as
be
in
rather
it is
homeless.
non-existent.
Well, the young ladies will just have to wear something they've worn before.
Before, Mama, I would rather not attend. You won't even wear a dress form before?
I would very much like to speak to Miss Thompson. I have a question for her.
Marry you.
I knew that. I knew he was going to do
I
that.
do not understand.
I knew it.
After
I
my
knew
brother clearly took, I would merely be doing my duty.
it. I knew he was going to propose. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew he was going to propose.
George cared for you very much, Miss Thompson. And that will never change. But he would have wanted you to be looked after. He would have wanted you to be supported. Allow me to realize my late brother's wishes.
Oh, she was like,
She
you
was
can
like,
thank
"I'll
me?
marry you."
You can thank me? Philip
I
was
wish
while
you
they
all
were
the
like,
best,
oh,
Miss
she's
Thompson.
fine. Like,
Is she still pregnant? Oh, well. Go find them letters.
Oh, the letters that he wrote to his dad. He never even opened them. Wow. Now she gonna feel bad for him. Make me some money. Wow. Now she got a top hat too.
Are they imagining it or is this happening?
Oh, this is definitely happening. Shit!
Get your ass up. Get up.
Look at Drake.
He know.
Lady Danbury.
Uh-oh.
Oh yeah, Danbury gonna
Did you
spill the
forget you
beans.
would come and help?
What happened to your honor?
My honor. Tell me, Your Grace, whatever could be more honorable besides taking care of one's family?
He wouldn't
Besides
know.
doing what needs. Perhaps you should stop worrying about my marriage and instead put your mind to your own. That is not what this is about. Is it not?
Well, where's the other half?
I used it to pay off my man. No matter.
Because this is more than enough.
Girl, you just better be glad he didn't lose your damn house.
Right!
The young lady shall have new dresses after all.
Like, can you even wear the same dress twice?
That would drive me crazy.
What?
Having somebody let me just take this thing off myself. I don't want to wait for you to walk over here and move this out of my way. I got it.
It's all about power.
That would drive me nuts.
Yes. Yes, I shall join you.
So is she just cool with not having babies now?
I don't know. I'm just confused.
That's you and me both.
Sister! Francesca! Honestly,
I did not realize we had been missing a child.
And
Oh,
you, Your
Right,
Grace.
they
whole
Your poor
series.
brothers and
they running all over the place. Shoot.
Simon!
I was wrong about her, brother. She's wonderful. You have nothing to write about.
I was not worried about him.
Not worried about what?
Ain't nobody telling you nothing.
Right, at all.
Nothing.
I have a friendship with Genevieve Delacroix.
Okay, look at the face. Like, come on, dude.
Beast. You deserve contentment. We all do. If the lady contributes to that, then I'm happy for you.
Wow, see? He's thinking about himself.
Join me, brother.
Perhaps Mr. Finch might even reconsider his proposal now that you have your dowry again.
Oh, shit.
Again?
Yeah.
Right, again.
Did I lose it somewhere the first time?
She didn't lose it somewhere the first time.
That's funny. Oh, I feel sorry for her. She's been crying, like, for the last... Oh, she didn't lose the
Still got
baby.
baby.
To those who may still find themselves out of both choices
Now I
and
feel extra bad for her.
fear not.
And go on
Who
and
knows when and
call,
where one's fortunes may
Philip.
change.
I'll be like, yo, I changed my mind.
Oh, do not tell me you shall find some young lady to lead in a waltz all evening.
I shall not be anywhere near that dance floor.
Take her.
If I ever say it.
Take her.
Whatever is the fun in that?
Do the right thing.
Come with me.
Yay!
Yes! Sorry.
Sienna, I'm a Viscount.
I really
My
want...
sister is now Duchess.
Sorry.
And the Duke, my brother. There's no one that would dare say a thing.
Okay.
You know it.
I want you.
I've been
by my
wanting him to
side.
grow up here the entire season. I'm glad it finally happened.
Come with me.
You're making all Anthony's proud right now. And Tony's alike. I'm gonna give me a painting. Self-portrait. That was even before the show. I wanted to do that though.
I'd be unruly. 2 dancers at most.
Look, he smiles.
He broods.
Wow.
Oh, they rich.
Wow.
Well, that house got to be worth millions. So, half.
Husband's picture. Circumstances change, ladies. Sometimes overnight.
We hear your husband secured himself a win the other day. Where is he? Still out celebrating? One circumstance that's most likely not changed, I imagine.
Ooh.
Wow.
Golly, man.
Someone special in here for me, I presume?
Only the best for you, Mel.
Man, he out getting a whore?
Featherington, join us.
What did you expect, sir? Now you're gonna be.
Damn.
He can't win. O'Connell. Go on and get O'Connell.
She all bright.
Somebody said that their mom dresses her in yellow because yellow is a happy color, and somebody wants, men want happy wives.
And I was a fool.
You are not a fool. You merely believed yourself in love. One should never apologize for that. One finds oneself in such an incredible position, and well, one should declare it. Assuredly.
Say it.
Fervently.
Say it.
Loudly.
Say it.
Colin, I wish to tell you something.
I have something I wish to tell you as well. I'm leaving.
Oh.
Tomorrow morning. I'll begin my tour. I'm just starting the Mediterranean.
Damn. Poor Penelope.
Like, you don't see, Colin?
No.
Look at that woman.
No.
She's here.
Those are oblivious.
Now's my chance to find out her plans for.
I'm just gonna let you know that now.
And is everything all right?
Maybe you should tell somebody you're in love with that man. Maybe his sister. She can set that up for you.
I require an audience.
Oh, well, in that case, no.
This dude is catty, man. I'm telling you, that's Whistledown. Something about to happen.
Oh, nah. I just need this one thing to work out.
Something is about to happen.
No, don't jinx it. I just need this one thing to
I'm
work
not
out.
jinxing it. I'm predicting.
Don't predict it. I need this one thing to work out. Oh, goddamn.
Please.
My lord.
Oh, the dude that she been fucking with.
I just needed one thing to just one thing.
Nope. Nope.
I thought about coming with you tonight.
Mm-hmm.
I envisioned myself in your arm,
Mm-hmm.
dancing the entire night.
And then I
away.
realized that this really can't happen. For real.
But my imagination was the furthest I could allow myself to go.
Yeah, what are you doing?
What am I doing?
The same thing you've been doing to me
What
for
am
the
I-
past few years, homie.
I am doing the very thing I have always done.
Look out for me.
I am looking out for myself.
Mm-hmm.
You need to let me go.
Mm.
I am comfortable.
Ugh.
I am content.
No, you're not. That's
That
why you're
gentleman
crying.
upstairs, he does not wish for me to change.
Mm.
And neither do I. You need to let me
Can't have nothing.
No, you can't. This is Shonda Rhimes. You
Can't
forget?
have nothing in this show. Like, this is the one relationship I've been rooting for all
No,
season.
you can't
Like-
have it. You can't have it. This Shonda. Fuck these flowers. She
Pride,
don't sleep.
your grace. It will cost you everything and leave you with nothing.
Man, say it again.
To happen to you too.
Oh, that's gonna mess up the sway. How about no? He gonna keep going. She gonna keep going.
That's annoying.
They're gonna mess up his suede. Oh, ain't that just lovely? Man, he messing up his velour jacket with this ring.
Out at once.
You too, Queen.
Right.
I'll let you.
The queen, even the queen listening to her. That's what I'm talking about.
I am so sorry.
Nope.
For what?
Yes,
Just because something is not perfect does not make it any less worthy of love.
Well, she's gonna marry Philip.
Saying he is dead.
Oh shit!
You said it. You said it. You said it. I don't know.
What did she say about the Bow Street Riders?
You know, the Queen sent them after Lady Whistledown.
Right.
So does that make him Lady Whistledown?
I don't know.
Oh, shit.
What I do not know is how to be the man you need me to be. The man you truly deserve.
This is too much for my freaking soul.
I have to do this.
Yes. Something turned out right. Go make some babies, please. Just give me some. Give her the babies. Give her the babies.
You know it ain't gonna last that long.
They can't give us the whole.
I'm just saying, at least do like edit it. Yeah, edit it so it make it seem like it lasts longer. Like it was like certified Minute Man, literally.
Not even.
Right.
If there is to ever be a grand
Whistledown still talking, so it wasn't him.
than the one provided by the Duke, just some endings
Man,
seem
can
more
you go tell that
permanent
man you love
than
him?
others.
She in there watching him pack up and crying, and he looking over there like he's got to know.
He don't know. I'm telling you, he
Y'all
don't
that
know.
stupid?
I'm here
Yes.
to enjoy the absence
I
of your
forgot
dear.
her daddy died just that very.
Right.
And he will miss
That's why she crying.
Yes.
Damn, does that mean they gonna go after the black man too?
I don't think so.
The boxer.
I don't think so.
Of course, there are
Is that
other endings that will offer new beginnings.
Oh no, that's Philip.
That's,
Okay.
yeah.
He got the sideburns. He don't look too happy himself.
I mean, he's like, this is my duty. My brother knocked you up, so now I gotta.
You gonna ride a horse to Greece?
Where are his bags?
Anthony,
Right.
I do not recall seeing you last night.
I finally determined the difficulty, love itself.
Wow.
Removing it from all romantic relations will make me all the better for it. No more distractions from responsibility or being waylaid from the sensible path.
What? Oh.
Wow.
Can't win.
Okay, so we need to find out what a Viscount is. Because I think that's the whole reason behind all of that with him and her. I forgot the fact that he took on his father's title.
Yeah, and somebody said that in the comments.
She's making me short trip.
Though you must know, dear reader, that decision shall be left entirely up to me.
I told you! I'm so sorry. I knew it. I knew it. When that information came out about that girl being pregnant right after Colin proposed to her. Oh God, please don't die, girl. Like my nerves bad. If you die, I'm gonna come to this TV.
I'm not worried about her dying.
I'm scared. I'm nervous. Whenever I start loving a character.
It's a boy.
It better be.
It's a boy.
Congratulations, your graces. A boy.
Of course it's a boy.
It would have had to be. It had to be. That's a big old baby. God.
But that baby gonna be light skinned,
Yeah,
boy.
You must think of the name.
Whatever it is, believe it must begin with the letter A.
Of course. Antonio. Antoine. Andre.
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 I get a little white baby with black name.
What's with the beat? This is like the third or fourth time I've seen that beat.
Yeah, I'm sure there's some significance behind it that some one of them is going to. I have not been in the camera the whole time.
We'll fix it in post. So,
who died in loving memory of Brian Nichols?
Brian Nichols? Ain't Brian Nichols the dude that escaped the courthouse?
Not that. I'm sure it's not that Brian Nichols. Oh, he's a stunt performer.
January 2020. But wasn't his name Brian Nichols too, though?
Yes, his name was Brian Nichols.
Okay.
And he had us on lockdown at school. I remember when he escaped. He's in the Game of Thrones.
Game of Thrones?
Mm-hmm. The first season. Passed away. Oh, he had a heart attack. Dang.
Oh.
At 54.
See? I gotta get my shit together.
Well, he was working on this. Okay.
So we got a win. We got a few wins.
I ain't gonna say I knew. Felt like Penelope was Lady Whistledown. So that was a win in my spirit. They got married and had a baby, or stayed married and had a baby. That was a win.
Mm-hmm.
Anthony, his heart is hardening, and I don't like that. But
I think his book is next. His chapter is next, I think.
I hope it's a continuation, but with some backstory.
Mm-hmm.
Not like a fill in the gaps, my perspective.
Right. Yeah, absolutely.
Like, I need to know why. I want to know his hurt and his pain.
Mm-hmm.
Why he's the way he is.
What?
I know why he's the way he's going to be.
It didn't occur to me until this very episode that he inherited the title of Viscount, whatever that.
Yeah, they said that like is. Way early on.
Yeah, it didn't register until now, which explains a lot.
Yeah,
why he can't deal with a woman that is not
of high regard or whatever.
Correct.
Yeah, and then somebody did say in the comment section that it has nothing to do with money, because I thought it was money.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, no, it's his title.
Right.
So, thank y'all for explaining things to us. We appreciate it.
We appreciate it. Y'all are better than Google, I promise.
Yeah, y'all
are. I love when y'all drop some fun facts down in the comment section.
Or the book stuff. I like that when they add in little tidbits from the book.
Right, that too. It halfway makes me want to read it. Maybe quarter way. Maybe more like a quarter. Shit, what else? Yo, Daddy Featherington got killed.
I didn't think they were gonna kill him. I thought they were going to like rough him up.
Yeah, I thought they were gonna rough him up. But
make him like, work for them or something.
But British Drake don't play, apparently. Man, tell me that dude didn't look like Drake.
I honestly don't know what Drake looks like.
You don't know what Drake? What? Hold on, wait. We need to remedy this right now. Drake? That's Drake. Tell me he don't look like him.
I know what old Drake looked like.
Hmm?
That's not the picture I had in my mind.
Yeah. So, dude's bit. Well, maybe I should
like
take
a rough draft.
Right.
Of Drake.
He's a first take.
I didn't mean to say rough draft, but it sounded fine coming out.
But it makes sense though. It was like.
Let's try this again. That didn't work out the first time. But he looks like a rougher version.
Right.
Yeah.
And yeah.
What else happened? I'm really sad that Anthony and Sienna did not get together.
I mean,
I'm very sad about that.
I don't blame her. Not one
I don't
bit.
blame her neither.
I don't
but
blame her.
I'm sad.
Right.
Because I feel like he was really starting to put his big boy drawers on.
Mm.
But whatever. I still feel like Big Brother B might be bi.
He could be. I can see that. Because he was asking questions.
Like, how you work this out? Like,
right. You know? So I can see it. Him and, you know, he dealing with the not French lady. And he might.
But where did she go?
He was with her the night before.
Yeah, but he said she left. Did he say
Oh, it
she
did?
left? I don't know.
I don't know. Yeah. We'll go back and watch it again. But
all in all, I will say I am not disappointed.
At all.
I love Shonda, so I felt like it was going to be well written. I felt like it was going to be emotional.
Mm-hmm.
So I enjoyed it. You guys did good. I definitely, I'm glad y'all suggested it because like I told y'all before, I never would have clicked on it.
Shout out to Forrest Godwin. Appreciate you. He's the one who started all of this. I'd say your full name.
Why did you put that man whole government on YouTube?
Follow him on Instagram. Forrest, appreciate you.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
Right. But yeah, that's it for Bridgerton for now. We will definitely see y'all for season 2.
Absolutely.
100%. Don't leave us though. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so that when we do upload some new Bridgerton episodes,
you'll be right here with us.
You'll get notified for it. But also, we still got Game of Thrones. We only in season 2 of 8 of Game of Thrones. And if you liked us here, you would love us there. I think we're way more ignorant over there because there's a lot of debauchery.
Not ignorant.
Ignorant. Well, some people might not know what ignorant is. Well, they know what it is. But if you love us, you love us. We appreciate the support. We appreciate your subscriptions. We appreciate your comments.
Absolutely, the comments. I love talking to y'all.
100%. And we appreciate y'all that come on and speak with us live whenever we do these premieres as well. But yeah, until next time, people, let's get something done. I ain't gonna say too much this time. Should I? For the last time?
No.
In high regards.
No.
No?
Just tell these people bye. I think we should have. I'm sorry. Close it. Go ahead and close it.